does mental illness impact alimony? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series, which is designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, when we talk about alimony is based on a couple things. Of course, at the crux of alimony is fairness. In long-term marriages, we want to make sure that if it splits apart, that both husband and wife should have a similar amount of money to live off of. It's based on fairness. It's need-based, because if husband makes much more money than the other, as we're trying to determine this, what we're really saying is it's not just you were married for a long time and you make more money. What we're really saying is, and therefore the spouse needs money from you in order to be able to maintain the lifestyle that he or she had before. And why should we be able to maintain that? Very simple, because it's all about fairness. Why should you have access to a better lifestyle than this person? You were both in this together. While you worked, she took care of the household, or vice versa. It's only a function of fairness based on need. Now, illness, be it mental or otherwise, is going to impact this. Why? Because on a very simple level, if one person has an illness, let's say it's a mental illness, and that illness may prevent them from getting a job in the marketplace, that means that from a financial standpoint, one party is going to be able to financially recoup way quicker than the other. One person is going to continue working their job while the other person has no employment available to them at all. So therefore, it ties into the need for alimony, because this person's going to need a way to survive, a need to be supported. Now, it is possible that if the person is disabled, physically or otherwise, that they may be eligible, for example, for short-term disability, long-term disability, Social Security disability. These things may occur. They may get those things. But all that means is that that will be in the calculation. So if you're making $5,000 a month and this person's getting $2,000 in Social Security disability or some other disability, then what we have here is a total income of $7,000, which means in order to equalize it, the one who's making $5,000 is going to be $1,500 to the first one, and now we're both living on $3,500. So now it's fair. And so the impact of the person being on SSD or having an illness of some sort, not able to work, is going to be how it impacts the formula. It's likely that another impact will be the continuation of the court will generally enter an order that says spousal support is paid until further order of the court. Now, if the parties are, working and all that, and then, eventually they go back to work and one party didn't have a job, now they do, that could result in a suspension of the alimony. But if one party has a mental illness, it's not going to get any better. It is likely that that will not only impact the calculation, but it will impact the duration, because the court is not likely to enter a further order canceling or suspending that alimony while that person is suffering under that debilitation. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.